Alright, so 2002 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. Because this is going to be the best YouTube video ever, you got to do it like they do it. Something knocking. And we're not really sure what it is, folks. It sounds like a Chevrolet problem to me. But walk you over here and get real close to the hood and kind of do a bunch of this mess, because everybody likes to do that. I'm going to kind of get down in here and hey, something. Let's give her a little rev. Hey, there's something banging. Not really sure what it could be, but if I'm not mistaken, I daggone messed something up. Let's get down here in the fender well where you can really hear. Listen to that. Ain't that perfect? Not right in there. Ooh, that's a freaking noise. Yeah, look at her. Beat all the hell. Look at that thing. Phew. Yeah, right there. Good God. Look at all that perfection. $1,000 in fucking wire. And a goddamn 1978 Peterbilt. Screamed to life. We woke up the chicken.